All right, 696. Yeah, you got 808 in Colorado. They're just trying to bump it down a little bit and wave the hand across this beautiful land. 696, 696 Big Island, 808 Colorado. Back out.
Hey, check out that 808 right around Colorado, man. My good buddies up there. And I want you to tell Little Red, Uncle Showdown said, Santa, oh Santa. You know Santa? Tell him I said Santa Claus coming. I'll see you.
All right, Showdown, tell them they're calling. Hey, 696 was waving at you earlier. I just waved to him because I guess you couldn't hear him, but he's waving at you. Have a good Showdown, passing the 5 from Colorado. I'm back out.
All right, there, mate 08. Tell him I said boomerang right back and 3030 right there, man. Well, I hope to see you at the James Boys function also, man. Hello, 3030. 17th annual James Boys function at the Junction. Oh, I hope to see you there, man. August 30th, 31st to September 1st. 3 days. Jamboree, man. That can gonna be a mean old function. Barbecue, game, prizes, doggone it, man. A lot of great people gonna be there. Hope to see you there. 3030. They call me Showdown. One of them badass rebels got down.